And yes. So she, even though she didn't hit it, she was very close to it. Yes, good. So what I'll do is, yes, good girl. Yes, I'm jackpotting her there because it was nice and loud. Yes, good girl, you're doing great. Good. 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 Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put the treats on the out. Good. I'm going to put the treats on the outside of the door. So when she rings the bell, good. Door is going to get open. She's going to get the treat on the other side of the door. Okay. Good. Eventually, the treat's going to get taken away, and the reward is going to be opening the door for her to go out. No more treating. Okay. Right now, the association is bell, treat, bell, treat, bell, treat. We're going to transfer this in a few sessions to bell, open the door. Yes, good girl. Once we've got all this behavior, good.